How to cancel a purchase on eBay. So let's get started. First of all, navigate to the ebay.com using a web browser and log in. If you need to cancel an eBay order, it is best to do it within an hour of placing the order. The seller must approve all cancellations. After that, click My eBay. It is in the upper right corner of the eBay website. This displays a drop down menu. Now click Purchase History. It is in the drop-down menu below My eBay. This will display a list of all of your recent eBay purchases. Find the order that you want to cancel. It is in the list of recent purchases in the Purchase History. Now click More Actions next to the order you want to cancel. It is to the right of the order information box. Click Cancel this order. It is in the drop-down menu below More Actions. Click Submit. eBay will send a cancellation request to the seller and confirm that they have not sent the order. If the cancellation is approved, you will receive an email notification. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.